Hi there, it's Pascal here, and in this video I just want to recap on Stuart. Stuart just did his first presentation. There's a little bit of sun here, and if you don't know where we are, this Momentum Day is in Toronto, so you can see it's like a beautiful view. There's something called, I don't know, they call it the CNN Tower. It's just down here. You can see it, it's that tall little pane thing looking in the mirror. So we've got this back view here, see? So Stuart was all about, he's a visionary basically, so he was mainly speaking more about what's coming, the future of the internet, and what they are developing in the program. And that's why I talk to people, when people talk about joining an online business or starting a business online, they don't understand the difference between a course and a program. Or a membership program, that's what I mean. If you buy a course now and after like, let's say 2 years, that course becomes outdated. But if you're in a program, when there's innovation, when there's new developments, it's all part of the membership that you pay. So this, I don't know if you will understand it, because I'm always thinking of how can I get somebody to really get it in the beginning and to avoid some of the mistakes a lot of people make even after seeing this video. Our mind in the beginning is to make money, which is okay, there's nothing wrong with it. That's how I started. But I was fortunate enough to get into this one that worked. It's not easy to get it to work. You have to understand that. So to be safe, is to safe the right word? But to be able to do something that you have a chance of succeeding. In my opinion, I would recommend a program where there's a membership. I know there's a lot to come with it. If you're trying, that's what. In fact, I don't know how to really articulate this, but this centers around the question of how long or how much do I need to invest in a business to get it to work. If you buy a course that is fixed and that's it, once you buy the course, it's fixed, you can't do much when you finish that course. There's no updates, there's nothing that comes after that. You've already paid for it and it's gone. And courses are like huge upfront costs. But if you join a membership like a club, when there is a new innovation, you're up to speed immediately. You're not reliant on old data trying to fix things. You are constantly innovative because the people that are leading you, like I said, you have to trust the people that are leading you. And when he was sharing out his platform is not the best. And how many entrepreneurs can come up on the stage and tell you that theirs are not the best, but they tell you what they are working towards to achieve. In other words, to help the average person succeed. Because if you understand that one of his messages was, there are some programs out there that he says that when you sign into them, you're trapped. You can't grow, you can't expand. If your business starts growing, you can't expand. So he says it's against his own integrity to make decisions that will limit us in expanding. In other words, his decision is not just come and build an affiliate business, come and build an affiliate business, e-commerce business, whatever you want to do, and you still have the potential to grow and to keep expanding and just keep growing without being limited in the first place. That was his message, and that's what you should take to your business whether you're trying to do businesses to your customers. Just create something where your customers will always have the opportunity to grow In other words, once you help somebody grow, what is the byproduct of that? They will want to do a repeat business with you. It's that simple. I hope this makes sense, and we're wrapping up. We're going into the next session. I just give you a little bit of this. My first time in Canada, if you don't know. So this is where we are, the Globe Mail Center. I don't know if you can see that, how it comes out. Yeah. So that's it. And that's everybody. And I'll see you on the next one. Take care, man. Bye bye.